So today in this video I will tell you 5 different types of landing pages that you can use to promote your affiliate or CPA offer in order to get good conversion rate. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's talk about the various type of landing pages that you can use to promote your affiliate or CPA offer, and at the last of the video you can decide like which type of landing page you have to use to promote your offer. So the first and the most common type of landing page that you can use to promote your offer is called the opt-in landing page. This is the most common type of landing page that you might have seen on Facebook, like people giving free ebooks and PDF, and then in exchange they take your name, email address and other type of information. So let me show you an example of a opt-in landing page. So this is how a typical opt-in landing page looks like. There is a headline, a sub headline, and here is a space to add your name, last name, email address and phone number. And when the person clicks on this get instant access button, they are redirected to the offer landing page, and all this information is saved in an email list, and then they will send you emails about their other product or services. So this is how the whole system works. So these type of landing pages are generally used when you want to capture the lead, means you want to take the information of the user and then create your email list so that in future you can promote your other offers and services. This is the common type of landing page that people use on social media sites like Facebook, Instagram or other social media platforms. So if you want to create your email list, then you can go with this type of landing page. Now let's talk about the second type of landing page. So the second type of landing page is called a webinar landing page. This is similar to a opt-in landing page, but in this landing page you are not promoting a free ebook or PDF, you are promoting a webinar. So you can see here the example of a webinar landing page. The person can register here, they can add their name, last name, email, company title, phone number, Twitter profile, location, and then they can click on register, and all this information will be added to the email list like email marketing responder like Aweber, GetResponse or ConvertToKit, and then you can regularly send them emails regarding your webinar or other offers or services that you want to promote in future. So the main difference between a opt-in landing page and a webinar landing page is that in this webinar landing page you are promoting a webinar and at the end of the webinar you are promoting your services, but here you are not promoting anything. You are just giving the free stuff and you are taking the information, and then in future you will promote your services. And now let's talk about the third type of landing page. This is the not so common type of landing page. This landing page is called free plus shipping landing page. In this landing page you are giving your product for free, but here you charge for shipping of that product. So your product is also sold and you charge for shipping, means you are getting the money and you are indirectly charging for your product, but the person think that the product is free and they have to only pay for the shipping. So this is not so common type of landing page, and this type of landing page is generally used when you are promoting a physical product or a offline product. So you can see here the example of a very famous ClickFunnels product, that is .com Secrets book, and here you can see they have written just reserve my free copy now. You only pay $9.95 for shipping and handling in US and $19.95 for international delivery. And this is a physical ebook that when you order this ebook you will think that this book is for free and you have to only pay for the shipping. So here's the catch using this type of landing pages. So the fourth type of landing page that you can use to promote your offer is called a survey landing page. So what is a survey landing page? So survey landing page are basically created when you want to interact with the user. Here the main focus is to interact with the user and increase the interaction rate. Here you don't want to like promote your any offer or services, you don't want to promote your webinar, you don't want to capture the leads and email address or name of the user, you just want to interact with them. So you can do this by using a survey landing page. Now let me show you the example of a survey landing page. So now you can see here the example of a survey landing page. Here you have asked a question to the user like choose your location. You have asked them to choose their location from which country they are, and the user has to click on a button like if they are from United States they will click on this, if they are from India they will click on this, and if they are from any other location that's not written over here then they have to click on other. So the main purpose of this type of landing page is to interact with the user, and when they will click on any of these buttons they will be redirected to another question and then another, and after like 3 or 4 questions they will be redirected to the offer offer that we have to promote to them. So the major purpose of these type of landing page is to interact with the user. So the more the user will attract, the better is the chance that they will convert at last. And also if you want to create a very simple landing page, so you can promote your offers on Google, Facebook or any other traffic source where you need a landing page. Without using a landing page you can't promote your offer, then in that case you can also go with this type of landing pages. And now let's talk about the fifth and the last type of landing page. Is called a pre-sale or a bridge page. In a bridge page you generally create a bridge between your traffic source and your offer. So this type of landing page you write about your product and its benefit and what are its feature and how it can help the user. Basically you are pre-selling your offer before the person lands on your actual offer landing page. So that's why it's called a pre-sale or a bridge page. And now you can see here the bridge page of a product named Speechlo, and here we have written a headline for the product, a sub headline, and the image of the product is here, and what are its benefit, what it can do and how it can help the user, and the reviews that are given by our clients and how the product works. Basically overview of the product. So when the person lands on actual offer and on actual offer landing page, they don't get confused like what this product is and what it does. They basically have all the things cleared in their mind and they can make the purchase. That's why this type of landing pages are used, and that's why they are called pre-sale landing page, because you're pre-selling your offer before the person lands on actual landing page of the offer. So if you are promoting your offers on Google or any other traffic source where you need to use a landing page, but you also need to use a landing page and you don't want to use this type of survey landing page, so you can go with the pre-sale landing page or a bridge page. And here you don't have to capture the lead or the email address of the user. You have to write about the product only and you can simply promote it. So these were the 5 type of landing pages that you can use to promote your affiliate or CP offer. And now you can decide like which type of landing page you have to go with, whether you have to use a opt-in landing page or a survey landing page or a bridge page. So I hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments below. Till then, bye bye, take care.